squinty eyes. Okay, let's just move this around. The first coat is almost done. Just listen to the sound of that brush stroking the color into the paper. Get it into the cracks and the crevices. Into the cracks and crevices today. Welcome back, Tyler, the creator. We are working on this mystery animal face. I am putting the first coat of color into it. We'll just put this up here. I think I'm going to paint the nose black. That's what it feels like it should be. I'm going to come up next with some red. I put some red into it and black. I did finish. I don't have the fall scene in this room, but I do have the other one that I finished. So here, I'm Tyler, if you're still here. Here's your requested image from last night. There you go. And then this was the other side. So, just really nice images here. Okay. Where are we gonna go next? Yeah, thank you. That was your suggestion, if I remember right. You suggested that I do a fall scene. And, yeah. Yeah, thank you. I need a different brush thing going on. Let's do this watercolor brush. All right, well, thank you for popping in for a minute, Tyler. I appreciate your support. All right, let's make a black nose here. It's a big black nose. That paint's really soupy, so maybe we want to also put black in the ears. Is that something we should do? Let's just close up the paint door here. I'm going to just paint right out of this, and you know, it's okay, right? We are in imagination land right now, and we can do whatever we want to do. Kind of a black ear. Kind of looks like a pot coming out of there. Actually, it's a really interesting texture. You know, painting up against that, right up against the paper towel. I like that, actually. I like the patterns.